Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Scam Creation. Today I will show you how to add image and text in Elementor. This is my website where I will create a section with text and image. To edit this page, click on Edit with Elementor. We will add a new section at the end of this page. Click on this plus icon and then click on this two column section. We will give this section blue background and then add top and bottom padding. Drag heading element in left column and then write text here. Click on Style to add styling. Change color of the heading from here. You can choose font size of your heading element. You can also change font weight and other styling from here. I will also give this heading a shadow to make it bright. You can set margin and padding from here. Using this option, you can change the width of this heading. You should also explore the remaining options. Now I am going to add text paragraph here. Write your text and then change the color and other styling of this text. Let's add image in the right column. Choose image. You can upload from your PC or select from media library. Change width of the image if you want. Set the opacity of the image using this option. This mask option changes this image into different shapes. Now I will set vertical align property of this section into middle to align these columns. Now update the changes and view this page. You can see image and text has been added successfully. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get latest videos. Also like and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.